Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Bank of Tianjin Co. Limited annual report. Bank of Tianjin Co. Limited offers a diverse range of banking services that cater to both corporate and individual customers. At the core of its operations are three primary segments: corporate banking, personal banking, and treasury operations. The corporate banking segment provides essential financial services to corporations, government agencies, and financial institutions. These include deposit taking, corporate loans, trade financing, and other types of corporate intermediary services. This segment is designed to support the financial needs of businesses operating in China. In contrast, the personal banking segment focuses on individual customers, offering personal loans and deposits, card services, personal wealth management, and other types of personal intermediary services. This segment aims to provide a comprehensive range of banking solutions for individuals. The Treasury Operations segment is involved in debt instruments investment activities and offers various financial transaction services, including money market, foreign exchange, precious metal, and derivatives transactions. This segment plays a crucial role in managing the company's liquidity and risk exposure. Overall, Bank of Tianjin Co. Limited provides a wide range of banking and related financial services that cater to both corporate and individual customers, making it a significant player in China's banking industry. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The primary drivers of revenue growth can be identified through an analysis of the extracted summaries. Revenue growth is primarily driven by loans and deposits, which have seen significant increases of 8.8% and 8%, respectively. Additionally, a decrease in interest-bearing liability cost rates and deposit interest rates has contributed to revenue growth. Furthermore, net interest margins have also increased, resulting in higher revenue. The corporate banking segment has been a key driver of revenue growth, with corporate loans, trade financing, and deposit takings contributing significantly. Similarly, the personal banking segment has also seen growth, driven by personal loans, deposits, card business, and wealth management services. Fee and commission income has also played a role in driving revenue growth. It is worth noting that while there are no explicitly mentioned drivers of revenue decline, risk mitigation and cost control efforts have been highlighted as important factors in managing revenue growth or decline. Additionally, the development of digital banking has been identified as a key driver of revenue growth or decline, although its impact is not specified. The net income of the company experienced a slight increase of 2.6% from RMB 3,829,015 in 2024 to RMB 3,928,138 in 2025. This growth was driven primarily by the corporate banking business segment, which saw a significant increase of 23.3% in net income. However, other segments such as personal banking and treasury operations experienced declines in net income. Profit margins also underwent changes during this period. The operating margin increased from 1.4% to 1.5%, while the net interest margin rose from 9.3% to 10%. On the other hand, investment income decreased by 23.9%, and fee and commission income declined by 18%. Regional analysis revealed varying trends in net income and profit margins. Shandong Province and Sichuan Province saw increases in both net income and profit margins, while Beijing experienced a moderate increase in profit margins. In contrast, Tianjin and Shanghai witnessed decreases in both net income and profit margins. Overall, the company's financial performance showed mixed results, with some segments and regions experiencing growth, while others faced declines. The slight increase in net income was largely driven by the corporate banking business segment, which suggests a strong focus on this area for future growth. The company's financial performance indicates a positive trend. In 2024, the company reported an operating income of RMB 11,490,909, demonstrating its ability to generate revenue. Furthermore, the significant increase in corporate loans by 17.2% suggests that the company is investing in assets, which is a sign of growth and expansion. The increase in total assets in corporate loans also implies that the company has sufficient cash flow to support its operations. Although the net cash from operating activities is not explicitly stated, the overall financial indicators suggest that the company is generating positive operating cash flow. This trend is consistent with the company's ability to report a positive operating income in 2024. The company's financial health has undergone significant changes over the past year. A closer look at the data reveals that total financial liabilities have increased substantially, indicating a rise in debt levels. This increase is not solely due to interest expenses, as the interest rate gap between 2024 and 2025 has also widened. While the exact reasons for this change are unclear, it appears that the company's management may be taking on more debt to finance its operations or investments. Alternatively, the increased interest rate gap could be a result of changes in market conditions or the company's financial strategy. Regardless of the cause, these developments have likely had a significant impact on the company's bottom line and will require careful monitoring by investors and analysts. The data suggests that the company's debt levels are rising, which may indicate a shift towards more aggressive financing strategies. However, it is essential to consider the context and potential motivations behind this change before drawing any conclusions about its implications for the company's financial health. Management is emphasizing the importance of quality over quantity in the company's operations. This is reflected in the implementation of 10 focus areas for improvement to enhance financial stability and efficiency. The focus areas include building a sound financial system, promoting innovation, and developing high-quality resources. The company is also prioritizing serving the real economy by providing inclusive financing options to small and micro enterprises. This includes increasing corporate loans by 29.26% year-over-year and enhancing financial support for rural revitalization. Additionally, management is committed to promoting industry ecosystem through initiatives such as the Firewood Pickup Plan and expanding non-interest income. The company's strategy also emphasizes technological innovation with financial services and green finance. Management is prioritizing sustainable financial development by implementing operational plans, meeting capital adequacy ratio requirements, and reviewing and approving a green credit strategy. Furthermore, the company is committed to timely disclosure of inside information, strengthening internal systems for communication and accounting. Overall, management's outlook for the company is focused on quality, innovation, and sustainability. The company aims to provide high-quality resources to serve the real economy while promoting industry ecosystem and technological innovation. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. This can be confirmed through multiple pages within the financial documents, including page 10, 34, and 164, which all indicate that the company has paid dividends. Additionally, page 222 specifically mentions dividend distribution, further solidifying this point. The presence of dividends payable in the other liabilities section on page 264 also suggests a commitment to paying out dividends. It's worth noting, however, that there is no clear confirmation of share buybacks within the provided documents. Despite the numerous references to dividends, the company's activities regarding share repurchases remain unclear. That concludes the financial summary for Bank of Tianjin Co. Limited. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.